Today we're going to talk about aspect ratios. What are they, you ask? Well, that's how you shoot your videos. This one that we're shooting is 16:9 landscape video format for platforms such as YouTube. And if you went to the cinemas, they would shoot it on a similar sort of format. Another aspect ratio is 9:16, which are the tall, long ones that suit things like Instagram stories, Facebook stories, or Reels. You can also have 1:1 or square video. So you need to plan ahead as to what you want to shoot your video and where your audience will be watching it. If it's for your website or you want to host it on YouTube so that you can get the benefits of great SEO, then you'd shoot it like this, which is 16:9. But if more of your audience is on social media, then perhaps you'll want to shoot it 9:16 or square. Most people are watching videos on their mobile phones these days, so you might want to shoot some content that's more relevant for that. Plan it out first so you can shoot in the right way so that you can stand out from your competition.